Hey crew, welcome to Zurich. It is a beautiful day today, so I'm headed up into the hills to a place called Uetliberg, which is, there's a little tower up there, kind of overlooks the city, and it's a place I've wanted to go for a couple years now, and the weather's never worked out, but today, I think it's going to be awesome. I think you can see the Alps from up there too, which would be really cool. So, headed off to the train station, and it's about a 30-minute train ride up to the mountain.
Nächster Halt, Uetliberg Endbahnhof. Wir bitten alle Reisenden auszusteigen. Danke und auf Wiedersehen.
Okay, made it to the top of the train station, and now it's about a 10-minute walk up to the top of the hill. Really pretty up here. I think I'm going to try to go up in this tower behind me. I only have euros though, so hopefully they take euros and not francs. I think it's only 2 Swiss francs, but I don't have francs, so we'll see what happens. Okay, so it doesn't take euros, but the hotel ran my credit card for 5 Swiss francs and they got me a little coin, so I should be able to go up. Perfect, because it is really pretty up here. A couple people are up here, but they just left, and now I'm literally up here by myself. It's super serene and quiet. I got a view of the Alps behind me, and I don't know. I think it's really neat when you can leave a city and 30 minutes later be somewhere just completely alone, just kind of chilling. I'm gonna head back into the town and get some dinner and get ready to fly home tomorrow. Hit the subscribe button. See you guys next week.